Oh wow, actually I overlooked that.
What'd you overlook?
Perseverance and defense.
What, like the 2%, the 2% health?
3% every 5 seconds.
That's huge.
It is ridiculously huge. I didn't look at it and see it was percentage.
Dinger, the health regen dinger is gonna come back. It's not something I say I want to
That's
come
really
back,
good actually.
but it's gonna come back.
That's really good. That plus the 3% maximum.
Jason's gonna bring it back by
I
force.
wanna call jungle. There's
Right,
everyone.
yeah.
Damn it!
I go
Damn it! I'll support
okay.
that.
Oh my god, he's playing Oinkers too.
You are the oyster.
That's right, that's right.
Alright, this time I'm gonna have masteries, but where am I going?
Go wherever you want, buddy.
Try and get top lane. Try this thing out.
Cal. Where do you wanna go? Phil. Oh no, I can't play Gargi. Phil. Alright. So that leaves
Sivir is
AD carry
pretty
your
strong right
top.
now. Huh?
Oh, I could play support. Morgana.
Where are you going, Sam?
Top lane.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go AD carry or mid. But I'll go
Oh,
mid. If I have.
well, I can do AD carry if you want support. Alright, now I have to make a
Some of this.
page.
Why don't I give you something you like?
Sure. 80%.
You are my coinster. Want to say you suck now?